Hello guys, this is Babita Chaurasia. Welcome to my channel. Today we will study about permutation. Before going into the deep and various formula of permutation, first of all let us understand what is permutation. Permutation means number of ways in which a thing can be arranged. Let us understand it better with the help of an example. Let's suppose we have A, B and C, three letter word. Now, how many ways in which we can arrange A, B and C? First is A, B, C again. Another is A, C, B. Then B, A, C. Then B, C, A. Then C, A, B. And last is C, B, A. So, there are 6 ways to arrange these 3-letter words. For 2-letter word, 3-letter word and even 4-letter word, we can arrange them easily in this way. But when we talk about 5-letter word, 6-letter word and 7 yeah 8-letter word, it is quite difficult. For that we have a formula of permutation and the formula is NPR is equals to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Let us understand this formula with the help of an example. Let's suppose we have 4-letter word A, B, C and D and we are asked to arrange them in 3 spaces. Number of letters we have is 4 and number of spaces we have is 3. Now what is the formula of permutation? NPR is equals to n factorial n minus r factorial. Now here n is 4, r is 3, it will be equal to 4 factorial upon 4 minus 3 factorial. 4 factorial upon 1 factorial. So the answer will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equals to 24. So there are 24 ways to arrange these 4-letter words. Now let's go to the sums that you will face in permutation. There are 2 types of sums. First, where you deal with the numbers and second, where you deal with the words. In numbers, there are 2 types, 0 and non-zero. 0 in which 0 is included in the question. Non-zero in which zeros are not included in the question. In words, there are 6 types. First is repeated and repetition is not allowed. Second is repetition is allowed and repetition is not allowed. Third is always together. Fourth is never together. Fifth is odd and even places. Sixth is no two together. Now let's understand these types with the help of examples. Now let's deal with the non-zero type. And the question is, how many ways a 3-digit number can be formed using 1, 2, 3 and 4? Number of digits we have is 4 and number of spaces we have is 3. And we know the formula of permutation. NPR is equals to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Here n is equals to 4 and r is equals to 3. Now let's put the values. 4p3 is equals to 4 factorial upon 4 minus 3 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 4 minus 3 means 1 factorial means 1. By solving this we can get the answer. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equals to 24. So there are 24 ways to arrange these 3-letter words. So let us consider another example of non-zero type and the question is, how many ways a 3-digit number can be formed using 19984. Here number of digit is 5 means n is equals to 5 and number of spaces is 3 means r is equals to 3. Now let's put these values in the formula. 5p, number of spaces 3 is equals to, now the catch here is 9 is repeated twice. So we will divide the whole by 2 factorial. This is the catch. Now solve it. 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial whole divided by 2 factorial. It will become 5 factorial 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. By solving this, we can get the number of ways a 3-digit number can be formed using these 5 digits. Next, we will deal with the sums where it has 0 in the questions. Now let's take an example where 0 is included in the question, and the question is how many ways a 4-digit number can be used using 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now here number of digit is 4, means n is equals to 4, and number of places means space is equals to r is equals to 4. Now let's consider 3 in the first place. The number of ways to arrange the remaining letter is 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 means 6 ways. Now let's consider 1 at the first place. Number of ways to arrange the remaining 3 letter is 3 factorial means 3 into 2, which means 6 ways. Now let's consider 2 at the first place, and the number of ways for the remaining letter is 3 factorial means 3 into 2 is equals to 6 ways. Now when we put 0 in the first place, it will become a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So the whole possibility is totally impossible. So there are 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 18 ways to arrange these 4-letter words by using these numbers.